Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Caroline Schwartz, and today I will be showing you how to use Do Not Disturb. So, the first way to do this is by holding down on the right top of your screen from the right corner and swiping down. It'll bring you to this center, and what you want to look for is the button with the moon. If you click on this button with the moon should appear purple, and that means that our Do Not Disturb is on. What Do Not Disturb does is it silences any notifications that your phone will be getting. So this is good for meetings or when you're trying to go to sleep at night. The second way to turn on Do Not Disturb is by going to Settings, and again, looking for the tab with the Do Not Disturb and the moon right next to it. If I click on this tab, then I can turn on Do Not Disturb from here by switching this button on at the top. So Do Not Disturb is off when it's gray, and it is on when it's green. Then again, I can also schedule a time when I want to use Do Not Disturb. So if I click on this scheduled bar, then I can choose a specific time that I want to use Do Not Disturb from. So let's say I know I have a meeting at 10 o'clock a.m. until 11 o'clock. I can put Do Not Disturb on from this amount of from 10 to 11, and my phone will be set and ready for my meeting. So that is how you use Do Not Disturb. That was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday on how to use Do Not Disturb. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you are interested in enrolling in a full class with us, please visit portal.mittlerseniortech.com. Thank you for watching.